Hi, so welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video we're going to show you this Autel diagnostic package which will work on McLaren vehicles, and in particular we're just going to show you the screens and what it will cover when you're hooking it up to him. If you're lucky enough to own a McLaren GTR, a McLaren SENNA or a SENNA GTR, then this tool may well have your interest. So we're going to click onto, we've got the screens already here, we'll just click onto McLaren, just click onto standalone here. Right, just click OK to that, click OK. So I'm just going to click on remind me later, because we're not actually connected to the vehicle at the moment, but we can get in to the back end and show you the screens and the systems that it will connect to. So we go to, I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. Should have said that at the start, but I think what we'll do is we'll go down this list here. These are all of the McLarens that it will cover, but we'll go to GTR first of all. And let's just say 2016 as an example. Click OK to that. And then we go control unit. So these are the systems it will connect to. So all of the main systems, engines, transmission, ESP, ABS, airbag systems, body control, electronic park and brake, instrument cluster, doors, seats, steering angle sensor, you name it. So these are the systems it will cover. So once you click into these and it's connected to the vehicle, you can then go in and look at all of the live data. You can read fault codes, reset fault codes, look at module information, and look at the descriptions of the faults as well. So there's quite a bit of information that it will give you once you're into the particular system, okay? So we'll come out of that and then we can go into hot functions, and these are just kind of like the service functions. So on this vehicle, it will allow us to do an oil service reset or change the rear brakes and the electronic park and brake, open and close the calipers for changing the brakes. So we click escape on that. It's going to come out of this particular model. So that was the GTR, and then we're going to go into, I think, to be honest with you, it's probably going to be near enough the same for, say, like the SENNA and the SENNA GTR, but the SENNA is obviously a bit newer. So we go 2020 for the SENNA, and we go control unit. So these are the systems that it will cover for the SENNA. So pretty much everything the same. You've got park distance control, engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, body, door modules, steering angle sensor, HVAC, tyre pressures, cruise control, and a few others. And then the service functions, you've got oil reset, electronic park and brake, and throttle calibration or throttle reset. So that's the SENNA. And then we'll go into the SENNA GTR, which I do suspect will be exactly the same, but we'll just have a look just for the purpose of the video, seeing as we're here, instead of making a brand new video for it. Didn't select the model. I didn't select the model here there, did I? SENNA GTR. Well, we'll go 21 for this one. And then control unit again. So again, these are the systems, the doors, the engines, the airbags, ABS, transmission, HVAC, park distance control, and then cruise control, steering angle sensor, door modules, and a couple of other systems as well. Okay, so that is the systems. Then we go hot functions, oil service reset, electronic park and brake, and throttle calibration. Okay, so it really is a fantastic tool, actually. I mean, like you might have watched a few of the videos we've made on this tool, but for many years we've really struggled getting any information, getting any diagnostic tools for McLaren vehicles. But now we've got this tool, and it's really popular. People are interested in it because previously, you know, owners have had to always go to the official garages or workshops, but now this tool, it just puts the power into their own hands and gives them the ability to maybe diagnose and do some repairs on their own vehicle without having to take it to a garage or workshop, or having the car out of action for several weeks at a time, having to get it trailered to a certain location. Okay, so like I say, I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video though, so if you are interested, please do use that link. You can also email us. We've got the email address at the bottom. I'll pop the email address in the link below. The description below, and also the email address will be on our website as well. So there's a lot more information on this tool on the website as well. So if you want to maybe have a look at that in your own time, and you can buy it online as well. We don't put the price in this video because prices can fluctuate. We don't want to put the price here and then somebody to complain that the price is different when they watch the video 2 years down the line. We'll always offer the best price we possibly can though. So that's it for the GDR, the SENNA GTR diagnostics. But if you are interested, use the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I do hope this helps.